Big data and augmented analytics, enabling self-service BI. Big data analytics is the process of examining large, complex data sets. It aims to find hidden patterns, unknown correlations, market trends, and customer preferences. It also seeks other useful information. How does augmented analytics enhance BI? Augmented analytics adds machine learning and AI to BI tools. It uses natural language processing to automate data prep, exploration, and insights. This technology lets users of any skill level easily access and analyze data. They can then find insights and make quick, data-driven decisions. The benefits of self-service BI. Data visualization. Self-service BI tools provide interactive data visuals. They help users interpret complex data and share insights. Predictive analytics. Users can use predictive modeling and data exploration. They can forecast trends, spot patterns, and predict future outcomes. Self-service BI lets users explore data. They can find correlations and gain insights. This drives better decision-making. The role of big data tools in self-service analytics. To enable self-service BI, organizations need advanced big data tools. They also need analytics platforms for data discovery, analysis, visualization, and collaboration. These tools use augmented intelligence and advanced analytics. Key features of self-service analytics platforms. Data exploration. Users can explore and analyze data to find hidden insights. Data visualization. Interactive tools help users present data in a compelling, informative way. Data integration. It connects with various data sources. Users can access and combine datasets for analysis. Conclusion. In conclusion, using big data and augmented analytics, organizations can unlock self-service BI. This will lead to data-driven decisions,